Hello kids, today we will learn A to Z and color name. So let's start. Red color, blue color, white color, pink color, yellow color, sky blue color, brown color, purple color, light green color, peach pink color, orange color, dark green color, red color, black color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Pink color. A. A for apple. A for apple. Light green color. B. B for ball. B for ball. Sky blue color. C. C for cake. C for cake. Brown color. D. D for drum. D for drum. Orange color. E. E for elephant. E for elephant. Red color. F. F for fire truck. F for fire truck. Light green color. G. G for grapes. G for grapes. Pink color. H. H for hen. H for hen. Sky blue color. I. I for igloo. I for igloo. Brown color. J. J for jam. J for jam. Orange color. K. K for kite. K for kite. Red color. L. L for leaf. L for leaf. Light green color. M. M for milk. M for milk. Pink color. N. N for nest. N for nest. Sky blue color. O. O for orange. O for orange. Brown color. P. P for pig. P for pig. Orange color. Q. Q for fin. Q for fin. Red color. R. R for rose. R for rose. Light green color. S. S for sun. S for sun. Pink color T. T for telephone. T for telephone. Sky blue color U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Brown color V. V for volleyball. V for volleyball. Orange color W. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. Red color X. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Light green color Y. Y for yoga. Y for yoga. Pink color Z. Z for zigzag. Z for zigzag. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.